ज्ञान ज्योति ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। Good morning student, welcome to Gyan Jyoti online classes. Student, in this video we will learn about the chapter number 4, fiber to fabric. Okay, so now we will learn the fiber. Okay, so in this chapter we also learn about the history of fiber, okay, and types of fiber, okay, and the different types of fiber, that the natural fiber and the synthetic fiber. Okay, so history of the fiber, okay, that the history of fiber and the clothing, that the can be traced back to the ancient times, okay, that the peoples used to cover themselves with bark and big leaf of plants and animal skin and also thorns, okay, and after the invention of different type of machine, okay, that they can use and the for the fiber to fabric. Okay, so now we come the fibers. Okay, so fibers, there are two types. Okay, first fiber, two types, natural and synthetic. Natural, okay, and synthetic. Okay, so natural fiber we get from that cotton, jute, okay, and synthetic fiber that we get from chemical. Okay. Okay, so natural fiber that we form two types, that from plants, okay, and from animals. Okay, from plants, that the natural fiber, that also the jute and cotton. Okay, cotton and jute. Okay, and the animals, that wool and that the animals that we get from the different type of animals like sheep, okay, goat and rabbit. And synthetic, that the chemical, okay, that chemical that we form that we get from the chemical, okay, that nylon and the rayon and that type of the terrain, okay, this type of nylon and rayon. Okay, so this is the fiber. Okay, so how we get fiber to fabric? Okay, so all these are, you can spoon the yarn, okay, for the yarn, okay, and we get fabric. Okay, so how do we get fiber to fabric? Okay, so this is the natural and scientific process. Okay, so now we come to the natural. So student, now we come the production of plant fiber. Okay, so plant fiber, that cotton we obtain from the seed pods of the cotton plants. Okay, and the plants of cotton require one climate. Okay, the plants of cotton require one climate. Okay, and the soil, that the black soil. Okay, black soil. Okay, and the mainly the moderate rainfall. Okay, and the fruit of cotton plants are called cotton ball. Okay, the fruit of cotton plant is known as cotton ball. Okay, cotton ball. Okay, after the maturing the cotton ball, okay, after the maturing the cotton ball burst upon and sheet covered with the cotton fiber can be seen. Okay, and the process of that are used step by obtaining fabric. Okay, so first process that gaining. Okay, gaining. The process of gaining. What is then? So the process of, okay, they separate the cotton from the balls. Okay, cotton balls. So traditionally it is done by the hands, but nowadays that machine are also used for gaining. Okay, and the dirt and the short fibers are also removed during the process of gaining. Okay, and the cotton is called lint. Okay, and the next process, lint is tightly compressed into bundle. Okay, lint is tightly compressed into bundle, and bundle is known as balls. Okay, and the next, the weight of about 200 kg. Okay, and next the process of the spinning. Okay, so what is spinning? The process of spinning, mainly cotton fiber are thin and small. Okay, so cannot be made into fabric into the directly. Okay, and they are first converted into yarn. Okay, and the process of spinning can be done using the spindle. Okay, so that also use the wheel, that wheel, that also known as that charkha. Okay, and the charkha. Okay, and the process yarn obtained from the spinning process, that the longer, thicker and stronger. Okay, next the process of weaving. Okay, that the process of weaving. So mainly the process the weaving done on looms. The looms, that either the hand looms and power generated looms, that is called the power looms. Okay, so in cotton, mainly the cotton production state, that in India, Punjab. Okay, there the Punjab, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Okay, and now come the another type of plant that we get from the jute. Okay, jute, we get the fiber from the jute. Okay, and the mainly jute obtained, okay, from a plant called jute plant. Okay, and the height of jute plant 8 to 10 feet. Okay, and it is one of the cheapest natural fiber. Okay, and it is long and shiny plant fiber and can be spun into yarn. Okay, next the jute cultivated mainly the rainy season. Okay, and the region of the cultivated area, that the Ganga and Brahmaputra delta area. Okay, so mainly the after the harvesting the jute, that the process, next process, that racking. Okay, racking. the process that rating that we separate the bark of jute from the stalk. Okay, separate the bark of the jute from the stalk. Okay, this is the stalk of jute. Okay, and this side the bark of the jute. Okay, so after the harvesting they kept immersed in water. Okay, they kept the jute in water. Okay, for the 10 to 12 months. Okay, so next the process of the cover. Okay, what is cover? Okay, cover, the outer cover of the coconut fruit. Okay, that is called cover. Okay, so this is coconut fruit, and the outer covering is called the cover. Okay, so we can use the cover and make the fiber. Okay, fiber and the fiber to hybrid. Okay. So student, so now we come the production of animal fiber. Okay, so we have already learned about the fiber, that production of plants. Okay, that now we come the production of animals fiber. Okay, that the wool. Okay, and silk. Wool and silk, the production of animal fiber. Okay, so now we wool that obtained from the fleece of the sheep, okay, or goat. The process of removing hair from the body of this animal is known as shearing. Okay, shearing, the process of shearing to removing of their bodies, the fiber. Okay, so next the silk. Okay, so what is silk? Silk is a natural fiber which high luster obtained from a protective covering called cocoon. Okay, cocoon made by silkworm and around itself. Okay, the process of growing silkworm on mulberry trees. Okay, and the obtaining silk from them is called sericulture. Okay, sericulture, and there are several types of silk as muga and tussar. Okay, muga and tussar produced by various species of silkworm. Okay, but mulberry silk is the softest and lustrous among them. Okay, so India is the second largest silk producer in the world. China and Japan and Thailand are main producer of silk. Okay, so now we come the synthetic fiber man-made. Okay, that we obtain from the chemical. Okay, synthetic fiber. Okay, so synthetic fiber, man-made fiber. Okay, it is also known as man-made fiber. Okay, so there are two types. Okay, synthetic fiber, there are two types. Okay, first regenerated synthetic fiber, and second true synthetic fiber. Okay, so regenerated synthetic fiber. Okay, regenerated synthetic fiber that we obtain from the different types of that the have that regenerated synthetic fiber. Mainly Okay, student, there are two types of synthetic fibers. First, regenerated synthetic fiber, another is true synthetic fiber. Okay, true synthetic fiber. Okay, synthetic fiber, there are two types. Okay, first that regenerated synthetic fiber, and second true synthetic fiber. Okay, so the regenerated synthetic fiber we obtain from the parts of the cellulose part of the wood. Okay, and the true synthetic fiber we get from the entirely from chemical. Okay, the fiber which made up entirely from chemicals. Like for example, that the lion. Okay, lion and rayon. Okay, this is the example of the true synthetic fiber. Okay, and next the example of regenerated synthetic fiber, that the rayon. Okay. Okay, so this is the process of the. Okay, student, now come the advantages and disadvantages of the fiber. Okay, so advantages of the synthetic fibers. What is the advantages of synthetic fiber? And so first point, synthetic fibers are stronger than natural fibers. Okay, so synthetic fiber, that man-made fiber, that stronger than the natural fiber. Okay, and the second, that the synthetic fibers, that the fabrics dry faster and not get wrinkled. Means the fiber that not get wrinkled. Okay, and the synthetic fabric dry faster and not get the wrinkled. Okay, and the disadvantages of synthetic fibers, that do not absorb sweat. Okay, this type of synthetic fiber that do not absorb sweat. Okay, and because they have the less gases. Okay, and the next point, second, that synthetic can cause many. Okay, synthetic fiber that cause many skin problems. Okay, and the next point, that the synthetic fabrics. Okay, synthetic fabrics that bond like plastic, when come in contact with fire. Okay, when come in contact with fire, that the synthetic fiber bond like plastic. Okay, so this is the advantages of synthetic fiber and the disadvantages of synthetic fiber. Okay, so now we come the blended fiber. Okay, student, now we come the blended fiber. Okay, so mixing up. Okay, mixture of two types of fiber, that the natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Okay, so suppose cotton, polyester. Suppose polyester plus cotton. Okay, equal to polycotton. Okay, so this is the example of blended cotton. Okay, blended, that the fabrics. Okay, so that type of fabric will be natural fiber and the synthetic fiber from the another type of fiber, that is called the blended fabrics. Okay, so next, now we come the testing fiber by bonding. Okay, the testing fibers by bonding. Okay, some of the cotton that the. Okay, student, now we come the synthetic that the cotton. Okay, cotton and rayon. Okay, cotton and the rayon, that the fibers by burning, means the in case of cotton, okay, the in flame means catches fire easily. This catches fire easily, and the silk wool, okay, and the silk and wool does not catches fire easily. Okay, and next that the nylon, polyester, that type of the fibers that means does not catch the fire, okay, easily. And next the smell, when the okay smell of burning, that paper light, okay, paper light in case of water, okay, and the okay, next the silk and wool, they are smell like hair, okay, hair, and the next the nylon and polyester, there is no definite smell. Okay, so what is the ash? Okay, when the material, waste material, that the parts of the remaining parts of the cotton, that the smell, that light color, okay, that light color, and the silk and wool, they are black color, okay, black silk color, okay, and the next last part is nylon and polyester, that mainly, okay, that mainly hard, okay, hard, and the that mainly hard. Okay, so this is your chapter number 4 completed. Okay, I hope you all understood. Okay, thank you.